In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable microphone access on Mozilla Firefox step by step so websites can ask for permission properly and your mic works when you need it. This is a quick fix that can help with voice chat, online meetings, recording tools, and any website that needs microphone access. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the menu button, the three-line icon, also known as the hamburger menu. This opens Firefox's main menu, where you can access all the browser settings. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to the Firefox settings page, where you can manage privacy options, security controls, website permissions, and more. On the settings page, scroll through the options until you find the permissions section. This section is where Firefox controls what websites can access, including things like your location, camera, notifications, and microphone. Now, find Microphone and click the Settings button next to it. This opens the Microphone Permissions window. Here, Firefox shows you a list of websites that have already been allowed or blocked from using your microphone. Take a moment to review that list carefully. If there's a site you want to give another chance to request permission, you can remove its entry from the list. That way, the next time you visit the website, it can ask again for microphone access instead of being permanently blocked. Next, look for the option that says Block New Requests, asking to access your microphone. If this box is checked, Firefox will automatically block microphone permission requests from all websites, which means sites won't even be able to ask you for access. To enable microphone prompts, make sure this option is unchecked. This is the most important part of the process, because even if your microphone is working correctly, Firefox can still prevent websites from using it if this setting is turned on. So double-check that it is not selected before moving on. After you've reviewed the website list and confirmed that new microphone requests are allowed, click Save Changes to apply your settings. Once you do that, Firefox will keep your updated microphone permission preferences. Now, when you go back to a website that needs your microphone, it should be able to prompt you normally, and you can choose Allow when you're ready. If the site still doesn't work, you may also want to check your computer's system microphone permissions. But for most cases, this Firefox setting is the main fix. And that's it! You've now enabled microphone access on Mozilla Firefox. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.